So we have that an area of 130 represents 26 plants, because 26 plants are less than 20. Our total area is 625. And we need to work out how many plants that represents. So to go from 130 to 26, we've multiplied by 0.2. So let's do that to the total. And we get an answer of 125. The volumes are equal, so the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. Now the radius here is 2r. And these two things are going to be equal to each other. So pi r squared h equals 4/3 pi 2r cubed, or 2 cubed is 8, r cubed. Both sides have a pi, so they will cancel. And we want to end up with h in terms of r. So if we divide both sides by r squared, we get 4/3 times 8. R cubed divided by r squared is r. 4/3 multiplied by 8 is 32/3. That's our answer. H is 32/3r. One over means it's a negative power. And 32, well, 2 to the power 5 is 32. So it's 2 to the negative 5. FOIL. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 4 multiplied by negative root 3 is negative 4 root 3. Positive root 12 multiplied by 5 for the inners is positive 10 root 3, and the lasts, positive root 12 multiplied by negative root 3 is negative 6. Put the two whole numbers together, so 20 subtract 6 is 14, negative 4 root 3 plus 10 root 3 is plus 6 root 3. First thing we need to do is bid mass, so which means that I've got to do the divide first. So I'm going to do x plus 2. Don't like dividing fractions, so I'm going to turn it upside down and multiply. Now x squared minus 4 I can write as x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. So I've now got a bracket on the top which matches with the bracket on the bottom. So I've done the division stage, I've then got to do subtraction. So 5 subtract x minus 3 over x minus 2. 5 is actually 5 over 1, so to subtract fractions I'm going to cross multiply. So 5x minus 2 minus 1 times x minus 3 all over 1 times x minus 2. Expand all the brackets, I get 5x subtract 10 subtract x plus 3 over x minus 2. The top becomes 5x subtract x is 4x. Negative 10 add 3 is negative 7 over x subtract 2. Sector is this region here, and that is going to have an area of 5 pi. To find that area, it's the whole segment subtract that triangle. So it all comes down to what this angle is here, which I'm going to call theta. So I know this is 5 pi. Area of a sector is theta over 360 times pi r squared, and the radius is 6, minus the area of the triangle, which is 1/2 AB sine C. So, oh, I haven't got pi's everywhere. What do I know? Not enough.